Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to send Android videos or photos to your Mac. This is a voice reveal too. Hey, this is my voice. Yeah, who really cares? But let me get on with the video. So first, you're going to want to open up Gmail, and then you want to make sure you have 2 Gmail accounts. So what you want to do is you want to be on your other Gmail account. Don't be in the Gmail account your Mac's on. But yeah, so you want to create a new Gmail. You want to type the Gmail that's on your Mac to right where it says 2, and then you want to type it, and then you want to click a little pin up here, attach file, and then you want to click on what you want, and then click there, and then you want to send it, and then we'll see you guys on the computer. Alright, so we are back on the computer. And then you want to see where it says you sent this. I've already sent this. I was just showing you guys on how to do it. You just want to click on it. When you see where it says right here, you just want to click download. And then you can do whatever with it. And then yeah, it's on my Mac now, see? MacBook Pro. Alright guys, really hope you enjoyed the video and subscribe.